Well, I know that we have to put a O2 sensor in the wrecker and maybe a few other things, but the Almelund Threshing show is going on. So we brought Mara over to that. And Abby too.
Abby. And Jimmy.
And Jemmy.
And Deeks. Yep, I am too. Still waiting for the kitchen fairy to show up.
There's more stuff here than you can shake a stick at. They gotta check out all the shirts.
That's really cute.
Yeah, that is cute. It's a little windy out here, but if you've never been to a threshing show, tractors and that are a main thing, but there's lots and lots more to do and look at. Some doodlebug tractors. Uncle Don's blacksmith shop. How'd you like to work in a shop like this? Well, a 57 forward control. With the power takeoff. Kimmy got a stick.
I put your name.
You want me to
I
carry
don't
it?
want to carry it. Look at me. We gotta carry it. Hey. Cut the grass. I like my John Deere. I'm good.
This is what it's all about. They demonstrate the old threshing parties. They're not doing it right now, but they do. This is a new barn.
We can wash your hands.
All kinds of animals.
There we go, we got a lot of case tractors. Let's get them lined up.
Get a load of this old grader
All
here.
the cases out here now, we can start loading them up.
I don't know that I've ever seen an oil pull that small. That looks like an airport tug.
Okay, we're getting lined up for the parade.
we even got a few cars and trucks here. A lot of one-cylinder engines. Well, it's time to go home and fix the wrecker now. Well, it's the next day and it's time to work on the wrecker, or at least get the part out. We would have done it early this morning, but it stormed last night and was raining most of the day, or most of the morning. So we kind of had to wait for the rain to quit. But now the rain's quit, so we can get underneath there and pull the O2 sensor out. It's just a wideband Bosch O2 sensor. But I want to pull it out because I want to make sure that we get the right connector on the end of it. So anyway, hopefully it isn't stuck too bad. We can get it out. Oh, that was easy. Oh, now I need to clip the tie wrap. There we go. That'll clip the tie wrap. Oh, got a couple more tie wraps. There we go. Okay, now we have to go to the parts store and see if we can get one of these. We checked with the parts store. They had to order the part. It's in today. And Abby's driving because she's got her permit and we got to let her drive so she gets her hours in. So, how you doing?
I think I was on the right side of the road. I don't think I was in the middle, but...
Yeah, you were right, you were? Yep.
For some reason, we can't have a line.
Well, not on our road. So, anyway, we'll get back to you when we get to the parts store. Well, you got us here.
No, I just gotta park.
Yeah. That's right, swing wide and pull out, or pull in there. There you go. Okay, we got a wideband O2 sensor here, And it's got the same connector on it, same colored wires, everything, so it should work. All right, shall we see what our numbers are now? Oh, look at that. That's running much better. Well, I was going to take it off the trailer and try it out down the road, but that'll have to wait till tomorrow. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.